Hello everyone. Today our topic is wave energy, and me, Wafadar Askerzada, my group mates are Hussein Zada and Farhad Araev are going to talk about wave energy and the potential countries. Also, we will mention the implementation of wave energy in Azerbaijan. First of all, I want to say that wave energy is the most unique energy because it's the most concentrated form of the energy, and it's a sustainable form of the energy. There is more power density in wave energy than wind and solar energy. Wave power plants are classified into two groups, onshore and offshore groups. Offshore groups also further subdivided into coastal station and offshore station. Now let's look at the construction of important wave energy plants. First, the oscillating water column system, and this station are mainly underwater system, and there is water column and air column in the system. The door on the bottom of this system allows the water to enter into the system, and as a result of this water, high pressure created inside it, and the water leaves under the pressure the system. At the end, the electricity is produced. And also this system is located from 10 to 25 meters in the shoreline. The second wave energy system is wave roller system. This system is made of boards or boards attached to the seabed, and the mechanical energy in the hydraulic motor is converted to electrical energy in the generator. The next type of the next and the most important type of the wave energy system is Pelamis, and this Pelamis is situated far from the shoreline, and the system is installed waters 40 meters and deeper. Pelamis station moves along with the waves, and there is a pump in this system, hydraulic pumps, and these hydraulic pumps allow the seawater enter the system. When the pump moves forward, pressure is created, and when it moves back, vacuum is created in this system. As a result of this circulation, electricity is produced. And now my group mates will give comprehensive information about other issues in wave energy.
My name is Hussein Zada, and I will talk about the potential conditions and potential countries for wave energy. First of all, I want to start my speech with potential conditions. Previous studies of wave energy is potential in Chile, and confirms that Chile is probably provided with the best conditions in the world for wave energy generation in terms of quantity and renewable resources. Medium-high latitudes and deep water is greater than 40 meters deep, which wave energy is found to reach power densities to 50 and 70 kilowatt meter in those locations. Western coastlines at these latitudes experience the most powerful waves. For example, USA, Portugal, Spain, and Sweden. I can give an example of that, which they most use these densities. And the global renewable energy consumption. Furthermore, I want to mention about the global renewable energy consumption, which measured by terawatt hours per year. Traditional biofuels refer to the consumption of food, animal, agriculture, forestry, and other wastes. And the global technical potential of wave energy. And the global technical potential of wave energy is greater than 11,400 terawatt hours per year. Sustainable generating of potential 1,700 terawatt hours per year is equal to 10% of global energy needs. Now I want to move on the potential countries that use the wave energy. First of all, I want to give an example of these countries which mostly use the wave energy. For example, Australia, Chile, Ireland, Portugal, Spain, South Africa, UK, USA, and other countries is that the potential countries which mostly use the wave energy. Here also annual hydropower generation is also measured by terawatt hours per year. But here comes a question that how much wave energy is used in the world, mostly. It has been estimated that total available US wave energy resource is 23 GB, more than twice as much as Japan, and nearly 5 times as much as Great Britain. Furthermore, here comes a result that best wave energies is located extreme latitudes and west coasts of continents. And I want to say that the first world's commercial wave energy plant is 5 MV, developed by WaveGene, is located in Islay of Scotland. And that's all about my part. Thank you all. Thank you for listening. Now I want to move on my floor to Farhad. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Farhad Agaev. I would like to start my speech by comparing wave energy and other renewable sources. So as you can see in the table, we compare wave energy with photovoltaic and wind energies. Those who do not know about photovoltaic energy, it's a solar energy. We get it by converting sunlight into electricity. So in order to compare these three renewable sources, we have some criteria on the left side of table, such as power density, availability, variability, and so on. As you can see in this table, wave energy is more available, more productive in average power output per plant, and it is more environmental friendly. It's more predictable compared to other renewable sources. Regarding to availability factor, it's available by percentage. We can say from 80% to 90%. Regarding to environmental issues, this type of energy sources doesn't have any negative impact on the environment. As I mentioned, the amount of average power output per plant is more in the wave energy. More precisely, it is scalable to more than 100 megawatt. But for the wind energy, it is this number is 30 megawatt. This means that wave energy provide highest energy density. So now I want to talk about advantages and disadvantages of wave energy. Being environmental friendly, being predictable, being renewable can be advantages of wave energy. At the same time, this type of energy has some disadvantages. For example, it is costly, it is suitable to certain locations. We can say it as a limitation, and it causes noise and visual pollutions. Regarding to cost factor, obtaining wave energy is costly than other renewable energy sources. More precisely, in order to get 630 megawatt, we should pay 330 euro. The reason of being expensive is the early stage of technological development. However, in the next decade, the cost would decrease to certain amount due to learning rates and economies of scale. As a last point of my speech, I want to talk about implementation of wave energy in Azerbaijan. Tides in Caspian Sea are, let's say, unuseful for wave energy, but in the case of implementation, Pelamis type device would be most feasible energy solution. As additional information about Pelamis type device, this device working with the principle that wave shapes plays important role in obtaining energy, not wave heights. So it's all from me. Thank you for listening. Thank you for attention.